Hi guys, welcome to day 14 of the 30-day HIIT challenge. So these exercises today, they're all abdominal based, they're all core exercises. If you want any more variations of these moves, you can head over to the Healthista Fit HIIT app, which has a lot more versions of every exercise, and you can put them together and make different workouts. So check that out because there's lots of different moves you can do in only 5 minutes a day. But today we're going to come down to the mat first of all for a V sit and tap. And we're just going to lean slightly back onto those seat bones and tap alternate heels. Now, if you're not comfortable tapping, you can just hold that balance. The higher you sit, the less pressure there is on your lower back, so you can make it easier if you need to. But nice deep breaths. You're going to feel the fronts of your thighs kicking in here, which, you know, quite a lot of people have tight front of thighs, but it's great to strengthen them. So next one, into our plank. I'm going to do this on my elbows. You can just hold it on your knees, or we can come onto the toes and kick the heels towards the bottom. The faster you move, the harder it's going to work. So keep your head forward. Try not to look back at your feet because your bum will stick up. Just keep it moving, belly button tight. All these ones are ab based, so we want to push and really focus on toning up around your middle. Now this one, lay yourself onto your back, one leg straight, opposite arm straight. And from here, we're going to crunch towards the opposite foot. If you want to, bring the other leg up in the air and take away that balance. And when you're ready, we'll swap it over. Same again. Foot on the floor or opposite foot lifted. If you don't want to lift your head, you don't have to. That's absolutely fine. Well done, guys. Brilliant. So coming up, last round. We're going to stay on the mat, V-sit and toe tap. So when you're ready, we're going to scoot back, hold that balance and tap those toes. Remember, the higher you sit, the less pressure on your back. You can take it a little bit further, makes it harder to balance, so your lower abs will really kick in. Nice and quick. Deep breath, keep it going. From here, come on over into that plank position. On your elbows, on your knees if you want to hold it here. Otherwise, we're going to come up onto the toes, and we're going to kick those heels towards the bum. The quicker you work, obviously the harder it's going to be. So deep breaths. Keep going, really good. Don't stop now. Now this is all core, so those abs should really be feeling it. Keep pushing to the end. Last time, we're going to come over onto our back. One leg straight, opposite arm straight, other hand to the head. Straight leg crunches. Let's lift and down. If you want to, other leg up. And we'll swap sides. Stretch that arm out. Remember, if you don't want to lift the head, you don't have to. If you want to keep the other foot on the floor, you can. But that is it. Well done, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.